Hello everyone, welcome to Sparkle Kavi. Today I am going to show you how to make this card holder. You can use this card holder to keep all your cards together at one place. It's a very quick and easy project and you can play with different fabrics like this. Here in this I have used canvas fabric and on top of this I have painted this roses with fabric colors. So let's quickly see how to make these cute card holders. For this you are going to need one main fabric, one lining fabric and medium weight fusible interfacing. Now lay your main fabric with wrong side facing up, then baste this interfacing with shiny surface facing down to the wrong side of fabric and iron it. After basting, cut your fabric. The fabric should measure 5 inch wide and 9 inch long. Now find the center of the fabric by folding the fabric in half on the shortest side. Now make a mark 1 inch down on both the sides and then join this point at the center point. Now on the opposite side, fold the fabric 1/4 inch towards the wrong side of the fabric. Now in the same way, fold the lining fabric 1/4 inch down toward the wrong side of the fabric. Now lay the main fabric with right side facing up, then place the lining fabric on it so that both the right side facing together. Now use the clips to keep both the fabrics together. Now on the folded side with 1/4 inch seam, start stitching all the way down, then following the line all the way up. Make sure to backstitch at start and end. So this will be our opening for turning the fabric inside out. Now trim the extra fabric and clip the corners. Now turn the fabric inside out through this opening and poke the corners nicely. Now close this opening with 1/8 inch seam. Now from the folded side, measure 3 inch and then draw a line. Now make a fold on this drawn line. Now take this to your sewing machine and with 1/8 inch seam start stitching. And make sure to reinforce the stress points. And just like that, our cute card holder is ready. Just need to add snap button or any regular button. And now let's try putting some cards into it. Wow, it's perfect fit. So friends, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and until then, bye bye, take care.